Welcome to Microsoft SQL Server Database Training for Beginners. Join the SQL Server course at waytoachieve.thinkpic.com. You can find the course URL and promo code in the description section that is below the video. Use the promo code to avail discount. About course: a step-by-step introduction to the Microsoft SQL Server database concepts. This course is specially designed for students as well as software professionals who are willing to learn, understand the technique of Microsoft SQL Server database. This course includes installation of SQL Server, database creation, querying tables, store procedures, functions, views, and triggers. About me. Myself, Valiveti Shekhar, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I have 12 years of experience in IT industry, worked on web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, and web services. On the database side, I have worked on Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle database. Requirements. So, what are the requirements for this course? A basic knowledge of computers. I will walk you through from SQL Server installation to setting up the environment to get started. Why this course? SQL Server is just not all about querying. There are many important concepts available in SQL Server. To be a SQL Server developer, apart from querying, you have to learn many other concepts. In this course, you will learn major important concepts in SQL Server. You will learn SQL Server concepts by watching the videos. Quizzes and self-practice assignments also provided wherever I felt it's required to help you out for your self-assessment. What will you learn? Introduction to Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server installation, database, tables, data manipulation language, insert, select, basic select statement, filtering data with the where clause, filtering data with the where clause using various operators, union operator, union all operator, exist operator, sorting data with order by clause, select top clause, distinct statement, group by statement, having clause, null value, update, delete. Advanced table concepts, SQL Comments, Temp Tables, joins, in-join, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, cross join, self join, stored procedures, functions, in functions, built-in functions and user-defined functions, triggers and views. See you in the course. If you'd like more information, please feel free to take a look at the course description for more information. Take a look at some of the videos lectures that you can preview for free. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course to start learning SQL Server. We'll see you in the course. Please do subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook. Thank you.